Okay, so it's Christmas morning and we got my son this toy. This is the coolest toy, seriously. It's not expensive. We got it at Costco. It's the Hoverstar motion controlled UFO. So what you do is you make sure it's charged. There's a little button here, turn it on, and then it's gonna light up green. You hold it in your hand just like this, right? And so I was holding it like this and I'm like, how do I turn this thing on? Well, I looked up a YouTube video, figured it out. So what you do is you hold it in your hand and you throw this thing up and it'll turn on. Watch this. Look at that. And then it'll sense your hand. How cool is that? It won't run in your hand. Just go like that. It'll move. Whoa! It's like something out of Star Wars. It's got motion sensors on it, so you just kind of swat the air around it. You basically just grab it like this, it'll stop. And then if you want to turn it off, you put it upside down. It'll turn off. Super cool. I would highly suggest getting this thing. It'll keep not only your kid entertained for hours, it'll keep you entertained for hours. Well, if you like this video, if you want to get other videos of reviews, rants, and original content, click subscribe. Later.